Hello, YouTubers. This is Tron1731 here. Ooh, what do we have on the bench today? I should say the pool table covered in lots of drum machines and power supplies and dust and crap. And we are going to fix a lighting audio that somebody added some caps in. They're really low quality. They're also only 105C, and that's not too good. It looks like they've put some other caps in here, but we have a donor. And as you can tell, this cap right here, yeah, it's seen better days. That's for sure. It's pretty blown. So yeah, these are really, really cheap DKE caps. And these are 2200 at 25 volt. Well, people don't realize, you can pull these out of amps, but when they're this cheap, you pull one of these out of a used amp, it's probably going to either be wide open or there's focus. Sorry, it's 40 degrees. It's been down to -7 degrees Fahrenheit and all the way up to 45 in like a week. And quitting smoking cigarettes, you get a lot of tar coming up and everything. It's pretty gross, so don't smoke. It's bad for you. Here we go. We have the ground. Sorry about my dirty nails, but been working, scrounging up stuff to repair and digging in the garage. I found about 7 or 8 more amps to go through to repair, a couple 6,000 watt amps. This is a lighting audio. Let's see, we can look up right here what it is. This is what it is. 12 volts negative ground. Use 2, 4, or 8 ohm speakers. So this is 2 ohm stable, apparently bridged. Soldering iron's warming up. And I'm going to cut these away. I'm going to rethin the wires, and I'm going to steal this off this board. These are actually gold standard GD caps. These are going to be Venet 105. I don't know. These are pretty crappy. I'd rather have some 200 Celsius degree caps, military grade, but I'm going to go with what we can go with. So 2200 UF at 63 volts. So these are going to be a lot higher voltage than these 25s. And due to degradation, like use, parts getting old, these right here, they're gonna hold up a little bit better than these smaller ones. So we're gonna change these out. I'm gonna use this Scholler 2 amp, a lawn tractor battery, motorcycles, automobiles, riding mowers, and snowmobiles. This battery charger to do a power up on this with a small speaker hook to it. So this is video 1. I'm gonna unsolder these. I'm gonna add these, and then we'll do a power up test, and we'll see if the same one on this side blows again. Because I got a crap load of these. There's 4 right there. I only need 2. So I got 2 chances. It could very well be. I see somebody's done a diode jump here with this resistor here. I don't know what that's about. Somebody's trying to do some biasing or something. I don't know. But I think this is for a light. Maybe that's for an LED circuit. Yeah, you can see we got some ceramic power resistors in here. What else do we have? We got a bank of caps. This is probably for the preamp. Looks like we've got some packaged transistors here. Don't know what they actually are. They look like they are CHI or I need a magnifying glass or glasses. 5P PH 38. So we got some packaged transistors and What else do we got here? Looks like a little, that might be a op amp right there. And there's one over here, it's mirrored. So that's an op amp right there. Looks like either that, I don't know what the hell those are. Maybe those are pre-stage op amps. But they're small, and that's pretty crazy. Got some of these crappy green, I hate these damn things. These can get noise sensitive, actually. These green capacitors here, they get noisy sometimes. I've had these in walkie-talkies and stuff, and you could push them around when they got noisy, and you could actually hear a tone out of them. I'd rather place these with yellow film cap, in my opinion. What else? This stuff's all bent over in here. Straighten it up. But, oh yeah, shouldn't be. The disc shouldn't touch a toroid, I don't think. Yeah, looks like somebody's got these in okay. Yeah, well, it looks like I see the timer. Ooh, we got some blown cap guts in here too. Oh yeah. Looks like that blew. When it blew, blew all over the board. Pretty gross. Oh yeah, it jizzed in there. Oh yeah. It blew nasty. So, soldering iron's nice and warmed up. And we're gonna come back to this. Alright, we're back now. And as you can see, these caps are out. I already have one of these wires trimmed down. So let's get this other cap cut out. I'm sorry I can't film it while I'm working. I need a nice phone stand where I can set it up and, do this a little bit more professional. But just want to show you guys an amp repair here on a Friday. So hold on a second. And I'm going to pause this and come back with the other cap cut off. Okay, so we're 7 minutes so far, and this is real time. So here we go. I have both caps cut off. The wires are bare. I used my strippers to strip back the wire. Got my soldering iron just sitting there chilling it. No, and it's not touching the circuit board at all. So there's plenty of space in between. It's just an optical illusion. Okay, both caps. I'm going to tin these wires right here. And I'm going to put the capacitors in, and we're going to fire this baby up and see what happens. Oh, also, there's a fan in this thing. There's a fan switch. So I think I have the lid with the fan. It's in the garage. As you can see, there's lots of nasty wire built up in the terminals, and some of this, I don't know, if it's through the bottom, it could be sketching this out. So I'm going to remove all these lugs and clean that. Also, the fuse was bridged. So, yeah, it was blowing 30 amp fuses, and somebody bridged that sucker. Yeah, you can see that. Oh, man, dude. Just bridged. All right, so I'll clean up these two. The 12 volt, the remote, and the ground. So, yeah, I'm going to pause this, come back with the caps soldered in. Okay, everybody, so now you can see that I tinned both these wires. This one's completely connected, but I wrapped these wires after they were tinned. See that or not? Get to focus. I wrapped a piece of shit. There we go. I physically wrapped the tinned wire to the hard wire to make a solid connection between the wire and the capacitor. All right, I'm going to solder this one in, and then I'm going to get it so we can power it up. I have removed the screws to find, wow, somebody lost their copper gold mine in this thing. I'm telling you what, there's even multiple different colors of wire inside the terminals. Let's see this, dude. Watch this. Here we go. Woo! Gold mine. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's do these live. Oh, these aren't bad at all. Oh, nothing really in these. Tell this has been inside a car. It's rusty. All right. Oh, wrong way. Okay, we're going to pause this, get everything back in there with the jump fuse in, and see what happens. Okay, everybody. Kids are home, but I've confirmed that negative, negative, positive, positive, everything's working right. I've just left these right off here. Haven't even put those in yet. I just want to see if anything smoke test or if the cap explodes or whatever is going to happen. But this is plugged in right now. We got the terminal right there. So smoke test, dude. Let's get back, make sure capacitors don't blow up in our face. All right, here we go. Ooh. Oh, fail. Fail, wire came off. Hold on. All right, here we go. It's connected on there. No smoke. And the charger is on. I can feel it running. Oh, I heard it click. That's not a good sign. Let's unhook this. All right, let's try to get an audio signal in it and see what happens. So everybody, this is what happened. Hook this up. You can actually see the spark. And this thing is dead. There's no protect light coming on. There's music going in it. There's a speaker hooked up. There's no sound. All right, we'll double check our connection on the back of the speaker. Make sure speaker's connected. Yep, and these little caps are freaking hot. So something went wide open in here. And that's why the amp was junk. But you never know, I might get to the bottom of it. So everybody, this is another video from Tron1731. Later.